Before watching the video, I invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Good food varieties you ought to eat in the morning. A decent morning normal and a sound breakfast will assist you with prevailing the day. Tragically, a great many people, as it were, have espresso for breakfast and skirt the most significant feast of the day. Why? Well, it's a considerable rundown of reasons. No time. I need to get the transport. I'm now late. I could do without eating so early, etc. Others like to come by the nearby cake shop and get a donut or flapjack for breakfast. Anyway, these sweet delights are stacked with bunches of soaked fats and sugars and little to no protein or fiber. So what would it be advisable for you eat in the first part of the day that is both solid and makes all the difference for you? Until late morning we should see. Before we continue, if it's not too much trouble, note that all that referenced in this video is unprejudiced truth, checked and inspected by qualified well-being experts. With that said, we should bounce in and discuss 12 good food varieties you ought to eat in the morning. Number 1. Organic products. Natural products toward the beginning of the day. Indeed, the more variety collapsed plate, the better. Organic products are wealthy in a wide range of polyphenol compounds, relying upon their variety, so you really want to keep them as vivid as conceivable. In addition to, in the event that you're one of individuals who could do without a full feast toward the beginning of the day, a bowl of organic products will give you a simple and lightweight pack of fiber and nutrients to help launch your day. The fiber will help dial back the retention of sugars, and that will give you energy. However, what organic products? Well, think about oranges, strawberries, lychee, papaya, cherries, kiwi, guava, or apples. They're all high in L-ascorbic acid and cell reinforcements that assistance make your skin gleam and forestall untimely maturing. Bananas, melon, and mango are additionally great wellsprings of potassium. Also, a superb thought for your morning bowl of daylight. Bananas are rich in safe starch that movements through the body unaltered, aiding your stomach-related framework for variety. And if you seriously hate natural product servings of mixed greens, you can coordinate bananas with oats, oat, or nut spread. You will love it. Research shows that entire natural products give lots of advantages for your well-being, from a lower hazard of coronary illness and malignant growth to diminish paces of discouragement, untimely maturing, or stomach issues. Try not to attempt to swindle right out of this by drinking a glass of natural product juice in the morning. While sound natural product juice doesn't have the fiber, minerals, and nutrients you'd get from eating entirety organic products. So how vivid is your organic product plate? This it is a morning. Number 2. Salmon. Extraordinary food you can eat in the first part of the day. It is a greasy fish that matches wonderfully with fried eggs and entire wheat. Toasted is not difficult to make, lightweight and exceptionally satisfying. It will make a big difference for you. Far beyond late morning, salmon is a superfood that gives you fundamental omega-3 unsaturated fats that will assist you with beginning your morning perfect and strong. Number 3. Curds. Curds is plentiful in nutrients B. Furthermore, calcium, and can check hunger like a champ. You can blend it in with pepper, natural products, or on the other hand, nuts for a fast, heavenly, and solid breakfast. On account of its flexible, low-calorie, protein-rich profile, curds will not dishearten you. It is likewise a decent wellspring of iron and folate, and the gentle flavor is simply so great. Loving our video such a long ways. Before we move on to the following food, remember to hit the like button and buy into our channel so you never pass up our new instructive recordings. Number 4. Protein shakes. Protein shakes and smoothies are presumably the most straightforward and fastest types of breakfast. Anyway, you must be aware of the protein powder quality and origin way. What's more, pea protein are presumably the most renowned. However, there are incalculable brands that sell them, so pick carefully. Protein is imperative to the great working of our lifting weights and keeping up with bulk supporting enzymatic responses and a solid skin more than that. Protein assists you with feeling full for longer and decreases the sensation of craving, assuming you go to the rec center in the first part of the day. Protein shakes are extraordinary post-exercise dinners, giving more than adequate protein and rich supplements for post-exercise recuperation. On the off chance that you are to a greater extent a smoothie sort of individual, you can add a scoop of protein to your banana or frozen natural products smoothies. It will assist you with feeling full for longer, giving you the additional energy you want to manage an intense morning. Number 5. Dark tea. Dark tea is an astounding substitute for espresso in the morning. It will awaken you, help battle dormancy, and increment your center. The dark tea flavor anyway is serious areas of strength for very. What's more, it will take some becoming accustomed to. Dark tea has solid cell reinforcement properties, can support heart well-being and lower awful cholesterol. It likewise contains caffeine and an amino corrosive called L-theanine. Concentrates on show that L-theanine increments alpha action in the cerebrum, giving better concentration and unwinding. As indicated by research, individuals have more stable energy levels subsequent to drinking tea, contrasted with drinking espresso. So plaque tea offers an assortment of medical advantages. Counting cancer prevention agent intensifies that forestall irritation in the body. It may be a preferred arrangement over espresso in the morning, wouldn't you say? Number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a top-of-the-line wellspring of protein you can add to your day-to-day breakfast. It's thick. What's more, rich surface has been connected with a few medical advantages, including a solid stomach, areas of strength for a framework, less weight gain, and a more modest midsection periphery. It is a flexible and scrumptious breakfast decision that you can eat with new or frozen berries, pecans, almonds, or on the other hand coconuts. You can likewise add Greek yogurt to your morning cereal or smoothies for a protein punch. Number 7. Nuts are valid, wholesome forces to be reckoned with, rich in magnesium, potassium, monounsaturated fats. Furthermore, cell reinforcements. They may be high in calories, however. Research proposes that our body doesn't retain those calories, and for model we can eat Brazil nuts in harmony by the manner in which Brazil nuts are one of the best wellsprings of selenium you could find. Almonds and pecans are likewise amazing wellsprings of protein and fiber. Adding them to your Greek yogurt, curds, oats, or protein shake will help you feel full for longer while additionally supporting with weight the board. Additionally, nuts are superfood sources that assistance with your heart and cerebrum well-being. For Model 1 review partners, eating peanuts and pecans with a 13 to 19% diminished chance of coronary illness. That is truly incredible news. Other than nuts are tasty food varieties and are quite simple to eat, so you have no good reason for skipping breakfast this time. Number 8. Yams. Yams are delectable superfoods, loaded with fiber, nutrients, and minerals, so why not start your day with these smooth, lavishly finished potatoes, which, regardless of their pleasantness, are sitting pleasantly low on the glycemic list scale. Yams are adaptable and they will assist with keeping you full until lunch. They could seem like an unusual decision for breakfast. It's valid anyway, aren't you? Tired of eating oats, grains, or eggs with bacon consistently? Well, sweet potatoes are a fabulous new choice that is sound and delightful. You could trade your morning biscuit or bagel with yams and your body will. Much thanks to you for that. You can coordinate them with eggs and vegetables for a total breakfast. Number 9. Flaxseed. It's morning. You've quite recently awakened and you're looking for a simple and delightful breakfast to push you along over the course of the day. Well, what about porridge with 2 spoonfuls of Processed flaxseed? No, then what about A? Delectable breakfast omelet with processed flaxseed, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds, or perhaps a natural product salad with flax seeds. A morning meal smoothie with some milk, new orange, and a spoonful of processed flaxseed. Yet why flaxseed? Well, they are wealthy in omega-3 unsaturated fats, fiber, and protein. In the drawn-out flaxseed can assist with bringing down your cholesterol levels, further develop insulin responsiveness, and lessen glucose levels. A few investigations guarantee flaxseed actually might safeguard you against bosom disease, so remember to sprinkle some flax seeds on your yogurt, oats, or your smoothies. It will give you an additional punch of energy, and you'll additionally receive the well-being rewards in the long haul. You see, what you have for breakfast can truly completely change you. Number 10. Entire wheat toast. Entire wheat toast is a basic breakfast choice that will furnish you with a decent wellspring of carbs and fiber, which your body will digest gradually without raising your blood sugar levels. Other than you can't eat entirety wheat toast without help from anyone else. You must spread a few nutritious fixings on it, right? And there are a lot of choices on that front. For instance, you might have seared eggs, also tomatoes with entire wheat toast, or you could eat avocado and stew drops on entire wheat toast. Curds and strawberries don't seem like an impractical notion, all things considered. Cut figs and honey pair likewise well with entire wheat toast. There you go, a lot of thoughts. Pick one each day and take your morning meal truly. Number 11. Spinach is a verdant green, wealthy in folate and muscle building fiber. It can diminish the gamble of osteoporosis or coronary illness, safeguarding 919 your muscles from degeneration and expanding bloodstream. So make your omelet, sandwiches, or smoothies more punchy by adding 1 cup of spinach, and you'll receive the well-being rewards later on. Number 12. Eggs are a morning meal staple nourishment. For good explanation, not exclusively are they nutritious and wealthy in top-notch protein, but at the same time they're scrumptious and simple to cook. Everybody knows how to make eggs, yet not every person knows how solid, what's more, nutritious they are. Sadly, in late years, eggs have gotten a terrible rep for how much cholesterol they contain. Anyway, studies have shown that the dietary cholesterol in eggs has a minor effect on the terrible cholesterol levels in our blood. More than that, research recommends that individuals in danger of cardiovascular sickness and type 2 diabetes can eat entire eggs while modestly lessening their starch utilization and working on their blood cholesterol levels. Abdomen, periphery, weight, and muscle versus fat. Yet how would you cook eggs for breakfast so you don't get exhausted each day? Well, you can attempt baking them in the broiler, making omelets with various flavors, delicate bubbling or hard bubbling them. Poached eggs are too incredible, yet on the off chance that you're running late, a